Hello and welcome to the next lesson that will be the last part of the image analysis, and here we'll discuss colors in the visualization. In general, we've chosen the complementary color hierarchy, in this case with most of the bluish tones and a glimpse of oranges. These color palettes add a more contrasty, prominent look. So in general, the coldness and melancholic look of the sky emphasize the warm orange tones in the image and vice versa. But as we wanted a more toned-down color palette, we used less saturated tones of particular colors. Also, the whites in the image used in such a big proportion helps in neutralization of other colors. With that being said, let me analyze particular colors in the image one by one. The white color adds a balance in the image, but also simplicity and minimalistic aesthetics to the urban space. It creates a simple, clean look. Glimpses of bluish tones add a more melancholic and relaxed atmosphere. But these dark blues, for example in the sky, symbolize coldness, which is definitely in relation with the weather of the image. On the other hand, to add a bit of friendliness to the image, we used the orange color, not only in materials but also in the sunlight tint. It helps to raise the general energy of the image. But orange has one more important role in this image. It draws attention. And in our case, these orange construction elements helps the viewer to focus on the most important part of the image, the office building. And finally, the post-production helped in keeping the goals, creating a more muted atmosphere and giving an impression of one consistent look of the urban space. As you know all of this, we can go to the practical part of this module. In the next lesson, we'll start working on the office building. See you there!